Welcome back to Cube Capital TV, where we talk about business growth, funding opportunities, and strategies that help entrepreneurs succeed in a rapidly changing economy. Today, we're discussing one of the biggest shifts happening in business right now, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is no longer just a concept in technology circles. It is actively transforming industries, changing how companies operate, and creating new opportunities for businesses that are ready to adapt. So the question becomes, is your business ready for the AI shift? Let's talk about how AI is shaping the future of business and what entrepreneurs should be doing right now. AI is changing how businesses operate. The first major impact of AI is efficiency. Businesses today are using AI tools to automate tasks that once required hours of manual work. This includes things like customer support through AI chatbots, data analysis and forecasting, marketing automation, document processing and reporting. Instead of spending valuable time on repetitive tasks, companies can now focus on strategy, innovation, and growth. For small businesses and startups, this technology levels the playing field by allowing them to operate with the efficiency of much larger companies. AI is transforming customer experience. Another major shift is happening in customer experience. Consumers now expect fast responses, personalized recommendations, and seamless digital interactions. AI helps businesses deliver this through tools like personalized marketing recommendations, AI-powered chat systems, predictive customer behavior analysis, automated follow-ups, and engagement. Companies that leverage AI can better understand their customers and serve them faster and more effectively. And in today's competitive marketplace, customer experience is everything. AI creates new business opportunities. AI isn't just improving existing processes, it's also creating entirely new business opportunities. Entrepreneurs are building businesses around AI consulting services, AI-driven marketing agencies, data analytics solutions, AI-powered software tools. Just like the internet created new industries in the early 2000s, AI is opening the door for the next generation of business innovation. Those who learn how to leverage these tools early may position themselves for significant growth. Businesses must adapt, but with all these opportunities comes a clear reality. Businesses must adapt. Companies that resist technology shifts often struggle to compete over time. Being AI ready doesn't mean replacing people. It means using technology to enhance productivity and decision-making. Forward-thinking business owners are already exploring how AI can support areas like operations, marketing, financial planning, customer service. The goal is not to eliminate human creativity, it's to empower it with smarter tools. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of business faster than many people expected. The businesses that succeed in the coming years will likely be the ones that embrace innovation, stay informed, and remain flexible in a changing economy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Cube Capital TV for more insights on business funding, entrepreneurship, and financial growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.